Cold open. Journey into the world of tech wizards. Today, we're diving into the essentials of building your own PC. Are you ready? First off, we've got the heart of the machine, the CPU. It's the brain of your PC where all the processing happens. Next, the motherboard, the backbone that holds everything together. Then the RAM. Think of it as your computer's short-term memory. More RAM equals more multitasking. The hard drive? That's your long-term memory, storing everything from your operating system to your favorite games. Graphics card. It's all about the visuals. Better graphics card means smoother, more detailed gaming. And lastly, the power supply. It's the lifeblood feeding energy to every component. Remember, each piece is a puzzle, fitting together to create your ultimate gaming rig. Engage with us in the comments below, share your build progress, and join our tech community. Keep exploring, keep learning, because the world of tech waits for no one. Hashtags, #build your own PC, #tech community, #PC gaming.